Namaskar. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about what we mean by the redemption of preference shares. We all know that the shares can be divided into two types. One is equity shares, other is preference shares. Before I am proceeding to my discussion, I want to clarify that out of these two types of the shares, only the preference shares are subject to redeem or redeemable. Equity shares are not redeemable in nature. So it is only the preference shares which are redeemable, and this process is called redemption. So what we mean by the redemption of preference shares? The word redemption. When we talk the word redemption, the redeem means return. In English it is called return, in commerce it is called refund, in accounts it is called redeem. So preference shares are redeemable, means returnable. Actually, just like the equity shares, the preference shareholders are not the shareholders of the company for the lifetime. They carry a particular lifetime of the company, not for the entire period. So preference shares are issued for a specific period of time, and that is mostly long term in nature. That might be the 5 years, 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, something just like that. So at the end of the term, the preference shares are returned. Means at the time of issue, what amount the company has collected by way of issuing preference shareholders, at the end of the term, that amount are given back to the preference shareholders, and preference shares are taken back from the preference shareholders. This process is called the redemption of preference shares. At the expiry of the term, at the end of the term, the preference shares are taken back, or their money is being given back to those preference shareholders. This process is actually about the redemption of the preference shares. So here one thing we should clear, that the preference shares are usually made, the redemption of the preference shares is usually made either at premium or at par, not at discount at all. It is never redeemable at discount. That means if the company accepts ₹100 against the issue of one preference shares, at the end of the term, the company will give back, the company will return either 100 or more than 100, not less than 100. So not at discount. So this is the concept behind the redemption of preference shares. Hope you understand the concept. If you understand the concept, then like my video, subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friends. Namaskar.